Now, look who's there. The late comer, Miss Julie Malbay.
Sorry sir for coming late.
How many times do you need to say sorry? Halos araw-araw ka ng late.
Matawa din. I know sir, but you're very happy.
Hindi ka ba marunong tumingin ng oras? Almost 8 na.
I know sir, but can I come and sit down?
Okay, but please, next time, do not enter the class if you're late. You're just disturbing the class.
Sir, tinulungan ko po kasi sila sa gawaing bahay eh. Kawawa naman po kung di ko tutulungan eh. May lagay pa po si mama.
Is that an excuse, huh? Okay, but next time, huh? Okay, class, let's have a short quiz.
Quiz! Pero sir!
That's your punishment. We discussed everything lately. Nung wala ka pa. You should be early next time.